Hello, brother. I have been just given the taste of Bihar JK in the chapter called The Revolt in 1857 and Bihar. Here are the first question begins. First question is saying that who started the revolt in Bihar in 1857? Answer is Kuwar Singh. During the revolt of 1857 in Bihar, there was a rebellion under the leadership of Muhammad Hussain Khan. He belongs from Chhapra district of Bihar. Who was the commissioner of Patna at the beginning of the revolt of 1857 AD in Bihar? Answer is William Taylor was the commissioner of Patna in Bihar in 1857. Diwan Mani Ram Dutt, the leader of the revolution of 1857, is related to which of the following? He belongs from Assam states of India and he was the first person who initiated the tea plantation in Assam. Which of the following pairs related with the revolt of 1857 is mismatched? Bihar, Kuwar Singh, very correct. Ramgarh, Rani Abanti by Lodi, very correct. Lodi does not means like she belongs from Ibrahim Lodi family. She is wife of Vikramaditya Singh Lodi. That he was a Hindu emperor. Firozabad Ahmadullah Shah. No, it's incorrect. So this is the correct option of this question. Ahmadullah Shah lead from Faizabad against the British East India Company in 1857. Lucknow Begum Hazrat Mahal. Yes, correct. Which of the following statements are correct? Okay, in 1857, the Maharajas of Darbhanga, Dumrao, and Hatwa and their fellow landlords helped the English with mean and money. Yeah, that's very correct, and remaining all are incorrect. The revolt of 1857 began at Meerut in UP. Which of the following regions were not the main centers of revolt? Ara, yes, main center of revolt. Malda, a district in West Bengal, and it's not a main center of revolt. Bareilly, yes, in Bareilly, led by Khan Bahadur Khan in 1857 against the British East India Company, and Jhansi in 1857 led by Maharani Lakshmi Bai, and Tatya Tope led from Gwalior. Under which leadership parallel government was established in Jagdishpur in 1857? Answer is Amar Singh. Amar Singh is the brother of Kuwar Singh. After the death of Kuwar Singh in 1857, in April, he take the charge of this revolt.